Some years back, Delhi government decided that all the power sector management of the city should be privatized, and then the contracts were given to Tatas and the Reliance. Now I can see a huge difference with the power supply management of the city. There are no frequent power cuts, and if there is any fault, I can see the urgency on the faces of the private sector employees. Same is the case of DMRC, Delhi Metro Railway Corporation. This is a world-class infrastructure which was given to us by a private sector company. And Delhi Metro is the only metro service in the world which is actually making a profit. Same is the case of all the highways. Now all the highways contracts are given to a private sector. You have the example, Delhi Noida Expressway, Delhi Gurgaon Expressway, Delhi Agra Expressway. All this are world-class experience given to us by the private sector. So privatizing the public sector companies is a very good option for the government, because all the losses which are occurred by these public sector companies were paid by a taxpayer's money by the government. So if any private company who thinks that they can make a profit after these loss-making entities, then why not? Government should privatize them. And we can collect our money on the form of taxes by these private companies. I'm not saying that we should privatize all the public sector companies, but all the companies which are making losses should be privatized, and all the companies which are making profits should not be privatized. All those companies are GACL, GAIL, NTPC. These companies are making profits, so there is no need of privatizing them. But all the companies which are not making profit, we should privatize them. Thank you.